Hey guys, Ed here, and in this video we have a 2018 Hyundai Sonata, and I would like to show you how to take off the door panel in this car. The front side, driver's side door panel. It's actually a very simple procedure. All tools we're gonna need is screwdrivers, Phillips and flathead, and that's it. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open this cover here with using a flathead screwdriver or some hook, something, just to open it. Then we need to get here in the handle, remove the rubber piece. Also you could use a screwdriver. Okay, and over there we have another screw. So we have one screw here, one screw here. So now let's remove these two screws. Okay, so the screws are out. Put them right here. Now let's remove this thing here. Okay, it can just be like this, it's fine. So now I have to warn you before we go to the next step. The door panel right now is being held down by clips. Okay, all around the perimeter there are clips which are holding down the door. In 99% cases, if you're not using special door trim removal tool, you're gonna break those clips. I mean, they are not expensive, it's pretty much same thing like this yellow thing. They are same way, it's just you have to be, it's my job to inform you that this might happen. Okay, so if you're good with that, let's just take the panel off. So how do we take it off? I take a screwdriver, and over here between the panel and the door there is a little gap. I'll show you right here. Okay, that's where I'm gonna put my screwdriver in and pry slightly, gently pry clip out. Okay, this. Okay, okay, you don't want to force it too much, then you could save some clips. All right, so I have lost 2 clips. Okay, I lost 2 clips. I mean, it's fine, you can get them at the dealer if you need to, but even if you're gonna run your car without them, it's gonna be no problem. So next, if we have to remove the panel, we have to remove the handle. Press this piece here and remove the handle like this. Very simple. This thing, connector here, connector here. Connector here and another connector here. Well, lots of connectors. That's it. Just rest panel here for now, and that's it. This is the whole thing you had to do to take the panel off. Right now you can get wherever you need to get to, the regulator, handles, speaker, window, motor, all the other goodies inside here, and do whatever you have to do. Once you're done, after your repair, you have to put everything back together. So let's not forget about all the connectors. So let's connect them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Handle. Like this. Okay, and I believe there were no more, right? Let's get this out of our way. Okay, so now two hands. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna put the top on the glass. And make sure this clip goes in there. So you guys don't mind, I'm gonna push you right here. So make sure this is aligned. That's it. The panel is back on, holds fine. Let's put this thing back in. 2 clips, it clicked in. And the only thing we have left is we have to put back 2 screws, make sure the holes are aligned. If they're not, if the holes are like crooked, it means something's not right. So put 2 screws back, here and here. When we have the screws back in place, just take cover here and close the lid here. That's it. As you can see, very simple procedure. It's like 1, 2, 3. So I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.